Joe kind of stepped to the plate. Before the car was done, he wanted the first car that we did, this serial number 1. It's got that Edelbrock VC 555 in it. But we've done the whole car over. We had done this build about 15 years ago when I was in Jersey. Bought it back from the guy, and then completely, we went through it. You see everything, and I'm just happy somebody's getting it that appreciates it. But I want to introduce you to Will. He's
I will. Hey.
And then you have the CEO of Edelbrock here. Get any better than that?
You guys do amazing work. It's great.
Will's our product manager for all our crate motors.
Yeah, and that 555 is a big block Chevy that's got Pat all over it and Vic Edelbrock in it, and a lot of power, and it's gonna
a lot of history on it.
It's gonna burn through some tires for you.
You know, I had a funny little deal about 20 years ago, maybe, when I first got Vic. He would say, "Kid, what can we build that you can drive on the street? A big block of yours." And that's how we built the first one. Put it in a Chevelle, and that's kind of how everybody says, "Where'd you get the idea from?" But it was but it's I just really feel the drivability. I mean, we got a good diesel. You've been with us now. I mean, it's drivable. You can run it on pump gas, and that's the Gone Girl car. Challenged, by the way, by another racer there. That ain't the motor your old man sells to the public. Well, you can have it. We'll go to the shop. I'll pull it out. Well, you can buy it. You can buy it. We'll call Summit or call my old man's shop. We'll get another one here. No big deal. Well, then he got quiet. But that is actually that's a carbureted deal because we didn't have time to get the injection. That's our plan. That's the Gone Girl deal. All right, you think we should bring Lizzie into this deal too? We'll give you your certificate, and then we're going to fire it up and take it.
Print it into the paint job.
We're trying to give it to them at the opening. We're trying to
Okay. I can sign the valve cover.
You can sign it next to your signature on the valve cover.
Right, that's right.
Hold it up there. Oh yeah, 001.
001. Let's try to get to 100 if I can make it that far.
Nice.
That's pretty awesome.
We'll send Elliot with you just in case you want to get in and in the back, or
Yeah, sure, why not?
There we go. First restomod going out the door.
I'm gonna stick this in the car.
let me see what. That's what we're worried about.
This guy got, I put 15 in it.